Going back to the roads mode, selecting Tools, Crossing Services, Graphical Add Crossing Service. Reading my prompt, it says indicate start node of crossing link. Within this function, civil designers don't pick up your toe points. So it doesn't quite matter where you go and select the start point and then clicking on the end point. Confirmation to add skew cross section in the road. When you select yes, not only does it place the inverts at your toe points, but it will also include the skew chainage value in your road index. Let's give it a link name of culvert crossing. Link type will be culvert. Number of links I'm going to increase to 2. Specify a width of 0.45. Height, same thing. While we are at height, you can see it's written in red text. That is because we don't have sufficient cover at this stage. Wall thickness, I'm going to go and put in as 75 millimeters. On the right, we've made extracting invert levels easy for you. You go and specify which ground surface you're working with and the vertical offset from the surface. At this particular position of our road, we are in fill. And for presentation purposes, I want the culvert to stick out quite a bit from the ground level. So I'm going to go and put in 150 mils. Currently, we still don't have sufficient cover. If you look at the bottom here, we've got an actual cover of 567 millimeters. Whereas here we've gone and asked for a minimum cover of 1 meter. If I were to go and make that less than the actual cover, you will see that your height text will change from red to black. Now beforehand I've gone and checked my road layers and I'm happy with the actual cover in this case. Civil Designer will go and create a layer name. You can go and specify what you want it to be, and as you go and type in the name, you can see Civil Designer is doing a search of existing names. You are able to select existing layers if you want to override your current. Click on OK. Specify where you'd like to see the results on our screen output, clicking on OK again. You are then presented with the cross section at your specified skew angle. If you don't quite see your culvert crossing, you can go to your display settings and go and select crossings. Because of Civil Designer's integration, you can go and select which services you want displayed in the cross section. I do have an existing stormwater pipe close by, so I'm going to include that in my cross section. There you can see the existing stormwater link. Your median is also taken into account when your minimum cover is calculated.